Hello and welcome to this Curiko video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a one-on-one experience using a computer. It's relatively straightforward, so let's get started. If you haven't done so already, you're going to want to go to the Curiko homepage. You do that by opening your internet browser and typing in the address area, so that's where you type the www bit, www.curiko.ca and pressing enter. Curiko is spelled C-U-R-I-K-O.ca. Now, you'll see that we're on the home page already here. If you aren't already logged in, the next step for you is going to be to log in by pressing the yellow and purple login button in the top right hand corner there. This will take you to the Curiko login page, and you're just going to want to type in your login information, whatever that may be. Mine has very helpfully automatically filled it out for me. If you don't already have a Curiko account, you can create one and get a little help with that by checking the Create an Account tutorial that I have also filmed. So, once you've typed in your information, you're going to press log in, and it's going to take you to the Curiko homepage again. Now, if you're wanting to explore our one-on-one experiences, you're going to go up to the navigation bar at the top here where my cursor is, and you're going to click Discover Experiences. From here, there's a couple different ways you can find one-on-one experiences. We'll just let it load. It's being a little slow. There we go. The simplest one is to choose by format and then click one-on-one. This will give us all the options that are currently available for one-on-one experiences. I need some help saying no, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to sign up for Jane's experience here, or at least I'm going to check it out. So by clicking on it, I have a little bit of a description here telling me a bit about what it's about, and I can decide whether or not I want to attend it. It also says here the format it's in, so it's one-on-one, and also whether it's online or in person, because there are also in-person one-on-one experiences as well. So if everything seems good to me, then I can click book, or maybe I don't want to and I want to click another one. So I might go back and I could actually do some coaching with my emotions. So I might click on that one, read a bit about what it's like. This one has a picture, which is nice. It's also online. And you know what? I think this one is right for me. So I'm going to click book my one-on-one, and it's going to give me all the options that are available for this one-on-one experiences. There's lots of times available. I think this very first one on December 8th from 11 to 12 works well with my schedule. It's right before lunch. So I'm going to click request. That is all you need to do. The booking is requested, and now I just need to wait for Little to confirm. Once that's confirmed, the platform is going to create a Zoom link for us, and it should be relatively straightforward. You can check out my tutorial on how to access your one-on-one experience to find more about that. If you do need to cancel or reschedule your experience, you can do so using this section right here on the right. So click reschedule if you typed in the wrong time maybe, and it will take you back there. Or if you need to cancel, you can just press cancel right there, and then cancel booking. And the reason, you can type in here, I am more confident in my emotions. Right now, there's not a lot of, you can't see that very well. That's something we're going to change. So I'm going to cancel that, and Little Woo will get message about that. So that is how you book a one-on-one experience. I hope you all have a good time exploring experiences, one-on-one experiences on the platform, and I hope to see you on one soon.